Hiccup. This is Berk, son. It's our home. It was the home of your grandparents and their grandparents before them. It was my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you.
I was so afraid of becoming my dad. Mostly because I thought I never could.
You came early into this world. I feared you wouldn't make it.
When you carry this axe, you carry all of us with you.
But your father, he never doubted.
Berk is what you need to worry about. A chief protects his own.
He always said you'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right.
I'm proud to call you my son.
Thanks, Dad.
Dad, are you gonna get us a new mom?
I don't want another. Your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life. But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love. You're as beautiful as the day I lost you.
May the Valkyries welcome you and lead you through Odin's great battlefield. May they sing your name with love and fury, so that we might hear it rise from the depths of Valhalla. And know that you've taken your rightful place at the table of kings.
Hiccup! Son!
Dad! For a great man has fallen. A warrior. A chieftain. A father. A friend.
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are, you always have, but I'm still looking. I know that I'm not my father, so what does that make me?
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here.
How do you become someone that great, that brave, that selfless? I guess you can only try.